Patriotic salute. WG, I see you. Great grace. I see you, Phidias. God bless you. The bush hunter back to base. Right at the very corner. AITV. Monzo. Bina Simon. How many times I call her? Simon. How many times I call her? Matter tight. Simon. Call her and say Simon. Munzu. Ngutima. Zoekanga ki country. Stephanie, I give you patriotic salute. Then I say, Atanganji confusion, they never reach level. They will carry Munzu, they will carry and go for altar. Munzu. They call and say Simon Munzu. Simon. Jesus Christ. He say before the cock, kokoroko. Kokoroko. 3 times. Before the cock will crow 3 times, you will deny me. 3 times. Kokoroko. 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 3 times. Jesus, the Son of God, the one who came from heaven to the earth, sent to the grave, raised back to the earth, ascended high above to the heavens. He said to Simon Peter, Simon Peter, before the cock will crow 3 times, you will reject me. Before the cock will crow 3 times, Peter, you will reject me. Simon, 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 before the cock will crow 3 times, you will reject me. You will refuse me. 3 times. Mr. Simon Munzu has been a progressive in CPDM, a progressist, with Jean-Jacques Ekindi, one of his best friends. Munzu go on retirement. Munzu have never crossed Kumba to see Nguti. Nguti has been burned down. Nguti has become a desolate city. Nguti, the land of the great Zoekangaki, once chairman, president of the OAU, Organization of African Unity. Zoekangaki helped in giving Munzu scholarship. And many other children of Nguti. Nguti has become a desolate city. In the environs of Nguti, Mayemen people are living in the bush, inside the forest. Nguti has become ghosted. Munzu, Munzu, Munzu. Oh Simon, oh Simon, Simon Peter, oh Simon, oh Munzu, Munzu, Munzu. All Anglophone Conference 1, Munzu. All Anglophone Conference 2, Munzu. All General Anglophone Conference, Munzu. How many times did I call it? Munzu. Munzu. Munzu 1. Munzu 2. Munzu 3. Simon. Jesus Christ. Jesus said, Peter, Simon, 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 Simon. Do you hear me? Simon Munzu. Simon. Simon. How many times I call your name? Simon. Before the cock will crow 3 times, you will reject me. So the spirit of rejection, no doubt, he was rejected in Cameroon's People Democratic Demon Party. Munzu. If you are a certain Cameroonian, you don't reject Munzu and speak Munzu, then you have a problem. If you are an Ambazonia and you don't put Munzu on the altar and mash Munzu, let Munzu become 10 times confused, frustrated. Let Munzu become 10 times confused, frustrated like Atanganji. Mash it, mash it, mash it, mash it. Some Nigerian people sing some song. They say, Satan don't fall for ground, no. Macham, macham. He don't fall for ground, no. Macham, macham. Satan don't fall for ground, no. Macham, macham. He don't fall for ground, no. Macham, 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 macham. Munzu, Munzu, Simon Munzu. Simon Munzu. Jesus said, Peter, before the cock will crow 3 times, 3 times, you don't reject me, go. You don't reject me. Peter said, no, 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 no. I will not reject you. Jesus, how go do reject you? How come me I go reject you? You not see me fine. I don't leave everything. Now you are carry for head. I didn't follow the goal. I dey encourage everything, carry my own people that would go. I don't leave my boat. I don't leave my job. I don't leave my subsistence. Make I follow you go. You can't tell me I go. Jesus said, Peter, unfortunately, 3 times you will reject me. Simon. Simon. Simon means here. 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 Munzu, they hear the cry for people of Nguti. Munzu, they hear the cry for people of Manyeme. Munzu. Simon Munzu. Munzu Simon. Munzu Simon. God. Simon Munzu. Progressist. No doubt the rejecter. The rejecter was CPDM. No doubt the rejecter. Biapon Bimvondo Barthélemy, he not ever give him position as minister. He vex come on. Because of link with Zokangaki. He find himself into international organization, United Nations. Munzu, Simon Munzu. Spirit of rejection, and he follow that one. So make una throw him. Spirit of rejection, make it be rejected. The whole population make they reject him. Reject Munzu, because Munzu is embedded with the DNA of rejection. Simon. 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 How many times? Simon. You will reject me. Simon, you will deny me. Simon, you will deny me. He said, no, I will not deny you. Joseph Owona, colleague of Simon in Waikele as professors. All Anglophone conference. He said, no. There will be nothing like federalism in this country. Simon, do you hear? Simon went ahead with his cohort of friends and organized all Anglophone conference one. Where is all? Oh Jesus, where is all? Oh for now. Oh for now. Where is all? Where is all? Where is all, Simon? Simon, where is all? Where is all? Simon! First Anglophone conference. You know, open your ear. Betie Wondo, Kaba, Essingan group, they not tell you say no. Make will remind you, oh Simon Munzu, that Jesus Christ, if he tell Simon of old, you go reject me, and he say no, you go reject me. He say no. Kogo crow one, kokuru ko. Kogo crow two, kokuru ko. Simon. Kogo crow three, kokuru ko. No sir, I will not reject you. Spirit of rejection is grounded upon Munzu, upon Simon. Make una join me all Ambazonia for any conduct una take. Make una bind that spirit of rejection. Make Munzu carry that cross now.
Where would it be?
That the people on this side, every Ambazonia reject Munzu. If I demand them for Biapon Bimvondo side, everyone francophone reject Munzu. Munzu therefore carry that blame, put on for his head. Munzu, Simon Munzu. Munzu the journalist. Munzu go come on for my falling bear. He go come on, he go drive motor, pass for downtown, pass for Centenary Stadium, the whole of Victoria. Can't climb reach on Mutengene. Go drive for Bolifamba. Climb for my 14, my 16. If they do commentary, would he follow? Ghost Town was 100%. Ghost Town was effective. Munzu, Simon Munzu. Simon Munzu. Simon Munzu go only fit drive from Limbe, go reach for my 17 Boya. He no go reach Kumba Pass, go for Nguti. Go see a papa, Peking. He don't know how a papa graveyard day for Nguti. He don't know how Zoe Kangaki, a body the turn for ground for inside Nguti. Oh God, have mercy. Simon Munzu. Munzu. Simon, do you hear me calling you again? 3 times. Simon. Simon, what did it worry you? Simon, what did it disturb you? You know the year cry for widows. Simon Munzu, you know the year cry for orphans. Simon Munzu, you know the year the groaning and the weeping of suffering people in the forest. Simon Munzu, are you not hearing those weepings? Are you not hearing those agony of mothers? Are you not hearing those destitute, desperate, frustrated, how they are crying? Munzu Simon. Oh, who is this that is coming from Edom? Who is this that is coming from Edom? Out of his belly, egoism. Munzu, you never old rich. As I come there, so maybe 2 times your age, they broke him to half. People still call me say, oh man. People they call me say, pa, how much more you, Papa Munzu? I beg, Senator, when you come online, click on, send them for Munzu. Say, takang that Pekin, they call and already say, Opa, with why baby for head? Why baby for head? You Munzu, you know one old. Munzu no one old. Simon, 1986, 1987, 1988, 1989, 1990. Munzu, una know the old. It never be enough. I beg, make una give we that thing with the asker. Where my stick day, where my baton, where my bush hunter stick. The hot fire we won't put them towards November. Make we wind the clock, make it dinner for August. Make we go back for ground for August. Make we go back for August. So that by that 30th of August, make the fire start catch for everywhere. Make it catch sote, go scatter Limbe, scatter Victoria. Make Munzu no get place for poor head. They don't burn Tumi village. Kiki people for Tumi village. Old man. Say eminent cardinal. Freemasonism. Rosicrucianism. It not do una. It not do una. Occultism. Occult people. Men na olo una shine. Shine sote for old age. Men na olo una shine. Occultic people. Full of witchcraft. Block ears, secularism, make everything turn only them. You know go hear another name. Na Munzu. Simon. How many times? In the presence of hundreds of Ambazonians watching me in this time. By the reason of this voice, Simon. I call your name 3 times. In the atmosphere. As the sound of my voice is going, Simon, Munzu, better make a turn around. Oh earth, let the earth, the atmosphere is not enough. Let the earth of Ambazonia hear me speaking. Let the earth of Ambazonia, let the soil of Ambazonia, let the sun of Ambazonia, let the dust of Ambazonia, let the sun, let the earth of Ambazonia, let this earth, let this sun of Ambazonia, let this sun, let this earth hear my voice. Munzu, Simon Munzu. As long as there is a God in heaven, if your ears have been blocked not to hear the weeping, the crying of the widows of the orphan, of the destitute, and all the people that have been assassinated, targeted killing, oh Munzu, oh Simon Munzu, like a Tanganji, I bring you to the altar that you will be ostracized, that you will be, you'll be. Simon Munzu, that this my voice of the bush hunter will cross through and get to you. Simon Munzu should be reminded that Jesus Christ told Peter, you will reject me 3 times. Peter, you deny me 3 times. Simon, before the cock, Kokoroko, you will deny me. Say, no sir, I will not. Simon, how many times will you deny your people? Since this crisis, how many times, Simon Muzu, have you been? How many times have you been to Nguchi? How many times have you been to Mayemen? Oh, Zoe Kangaki. Oh, Ekangaki. Munzus, are you a man? Somebody help me. Is Simon Munzu a man? Is this Simon Munzu a man? Joseph Owona told Simon Munzu, all Anglophone conference will not change anything. No way for federalism. No way. They went in. First, all Anglophone conference. Failure. Rejection. All Anglophone conference number 2. Failure. Rejection. Now again. All general Anglophone. All general conference. All general Anglophone conference. Why? Why Munzu? Why Munzu? Simon Munzu. Kandarabasetia. The head of Ambazonia. The dust of Ambazonia. The son of Ambazonia. Carried over the oceans. Brought to this place. Oh Simon. The spirit of rejection will come from all the four corners. From your own people. From the dead people in the ground in Gucci. They will reject you. Oh people, no time for relentlessness. No time for backing down, giving up. No time for being on the fence, just watching. Like the Fumban conference. What do they want to prepare? From the place of witness. Oh Munzu, your plans have failed. Your plans have failed. By this charging and invocation at this time, by the reason of the son of Ambazonia, by the reason of the earth of Ambazonia, the heavens, the firmament, in this time and season, hear our joint supplications, and by divine injunction, Munzu, your end has come. Munzu, your season is over. Except there will be a death and resurrection. Before there is life, there is death. Before there is life, there is death. Except death and resurrection. Because after he refused, Simon Peter, he refused that he will not reject Christ. Then come the crucifixion, the burial, and the ascension. Ambazonia is rising to fall no more. Ambazonia is rising, rising, rising. Ambazonia is rising to fall no more. Ambazonia is rising to fall no more. Ambazonia is rising, rising, rising. Ambazonia is rising to fall no more. Ambazonia have risen, and have risen indeed to fall no more. Except that Ambazonia has resurrected in his entity and his fullness. Then amnesty, then pardon, forgiveness, mercy can be made manifest. But if Munzu does not hit to the rejection of now and get prepared for forgiveness in the future as a servant of the Lord, making an open door for the place of mercy, then the descendants of Munzu will be wiped out. Will be wiped out. And the name of Munzu will end with Simon. Because everything of Simon will be wiped out of the archives of Ambazonia. I talk as an orator of God. One whose placenta was buried in Ambazonia. One who understands the dynamics of the soil, the earth of Ambazonia. the sun, the water of Ambazonia, the forest of Ambazonia. Hear the voice of the bush hunter. I come this day, putting the name of Munzo out there. Simon, Simon, Simon. Do you hear the cry of the orphans? Do you hear the cry of the widows? Do you see the desolation and destitution all around you, O Munzo? Simon, overdone Nambut. When I was young, I admired Simon Munzo, brilliant professor, expert of law. Where are the kind-hearted people nowadays? As I get old, I begin to see that it's not the intelligent people that make lives better. The people of kind-heartedness. People of kind-heartedness. People of kind-heartedness. Our brains are fooling us. Our brains, our intellect, our men of knowledge. What has happened with us, O Ambazonians? Secularism has kept us in the valley of dry bones. But this day, by divine unction, may the spirit of rejection that have already sounded like a trumpet in the atmosphere resound, resound, and may Munzo have no sleep until there is a resurrection. And Jesus said, Peter, do you love me? Munzo is not yet dead. Munzo, do you love Ambazonia? Munzo, do you love your generations after you? Oh, Simon Munzo. Oh, our people, Ambazonians. Why should our own? Munzo the architect. Munzo the co-architect. The co-architect. The force of argument. The force of argument, not the argument of force. Tori. Make we talk and talk and talk. Make we go see the make we discuss. Make the right time for document. For how many years, oh people? For how many years? Oh men and women of this generation. In the days of ignorance, God overlooked. But knowledge has increased. The monopoly, not be only them get up. The monopoly of knowledge, not be only Munzo. Not be only them get up. If you don't hear my voice today, by the reason of this sun, by the reason of this earth, O Ambazonia, this is coming right from our homeland. We speak to the earth. We speak to the soil of Ambazonia. Any iota of betrayal, may God vindicate his people. May God intervene. And may Munzo, like Peter, reconsider his steps. After the resurrection, Jesus came back and said, Peter, do you love me? Munzo, do you love Nguti? Munzo, do you love Mayemen? Munzo, do you love your children? Munzo, do you love your people? Oh, Simon Munzu. Tumi is tired. Tumi is worried. Tumi is frustrated. Tumi is part of the occultic band of servants that say serving God. This is not hidden. They are all part of the occultic cabal. But all people, our resolve, because of the mind of eternity with God, all things are possible. With God, all things are possible. We shall overcome. May the world know this day, may you know this day, that we will not give sleep, nor rest, nor slumber to our eyes. For Ambazonia is risen to fall no more. I come this day to add my voice and join my voice in a place of intimacy, asking God to open the eyes of our understanding, to encourage you, to sustain you, fortify you, that you may be strong in the days ahead. Because as we approach November, brothers and sisters, we must not be in the place of weakness, the place of strength. He who has a stick has support. He who has a stick has authority. He who has a stick will be revered, will be respected. And that's the language of Biampon Binvodo. Because the system of secularism has taught them nothing else but personality cults. Personality cults. They are the big people. They remain the big people. They die the big people. They pass it on to their children, and they remain the oligarchs. But this time and season, we Ambazonians, we must change the tide. The seasons have changed. Do your own, for you know what to do. That spirit, hold on it. Reject Munzu and tell Munzu his name carries the spirit of rejection. We reject him and he will be rejected by even those who sent him. He was rejected in CPDM. Biapon Binvodo never gave him anything. Munzu, do you want to be prime minister? Simon, I ask the Bakwere people not to give you opportunity to build house and stay in peace in Victoria. Pack your load, Munzu, and go to Nguchi. Pack your load, Simon Munzu, and go to Nguchi. My dear friend, Senator Mbelamoki, tell Munzu to leave Fako and go back to Nguchi. The Lord and see the salvation coming. I remain yours this day, the bush hunter. Till then, we shall see again on AITV. Bye for now. I leave you my patriotic salute. Free Stacker.